When most auto repair professionals need a replacement window regulator or motor, they choose Dorman. Dorman was the first to introduce window regulators to the mass aftermarket and continues to be the leading provider of high-quality solutions for more than 95% of vehicles in operation. We have invested more than $10 million in our window regulator testing and quality assurance facility, ensuring each new product performs to our strict standards and to the levels our customers expect. We routinely test our regulators and motors against other brands and find our equipment routinely outperforms competitors. We use higher quality materials and employ more precise engineering to provide long service life and reliability. To be sure, we cycle our equipment thousands of times in real-world conditions. Today, our newest models feature the same smart technologies on the most advanced vehicles on the road, and we continue to evolve and innovate so that repair professionals and vehicle owners can always find the effective replacement parts and components they need. That's why whenever you need a replacement part for a car or truck window, you should check Dorman first.